Guys, this is Counter Charles or Charles1, and I'm going to review the AULA Wings of Liberty keyboard. This thing is a white edition. I think there's a black edition. I'm not pretty sure. I've been using this keyboard for around a month for now. In this keyboard, you get one key remover and this box. It's not a sorry about that. It's not a fascinating box. It's just a box like a regular cardboard box. Inside, you'll get this. The keyboard will be in this plastic, and the wires will be around back here. And this is the information that you can do with the F keys. There's a ghost keys, so when you play a game, you don't actually accidentally press the Windows key. Okay, so the wire is actually pretty long. Not sure. I think it's actually really long. I'm not sure how many meters. Sorry, but I'll put it in the description below. Okay, so I just tie it around here, and this is my laptop. This the keyboard has like a blue switches, not switches, but axis, blue axis. It's like almost like a blue cherry MX. Yeah, and sorry for the dusty thing. It's been a month. It's just laying down here. It sounds actually pretty good. Let me just test it. Okay, I'll do a typing test later, but this is how it sounds right for now. Okay, it's actually pretty heavy. Well, I've been using a membrane keyboard for a while now, almost a year. Like I've got my laptop for a year now. I bought it last year, and I've used a membrane keyboard to play with games with it, and it was really light. But the mechanical keyboard, this thing is almost around 2 or 1 kg, or around 4 pounds or 5 pounds, I think. Yeah, and I guess there's nothing else. It's actually really nothing. You just don't have backlight. When I bought it, it says that it has a backlight, but it doesn't have. So if you press FN and this Windows key, it'll pop up there. It shows you the ghost key is enabled. So if you press the Windows key, it will not affect at all. Okay, and you can adjust your volume with the keyboard. Also, you can mute it. And this thing, it works on certain circumstances, like when you watch YouTube or anything else. But when I watch YouTube, it doesn't really work. I don't know why. But when I hear music using my files, it works. Yep. And I think that's about it. The space-wise, something that I don't like. It sounds really hard. Like, you can hear it. You know, it's okay. The font of the keys is really different, as you can see. Sorry for the shaking. This is the normal font, and this is its font. I think it's printed out, so if you can wash it, you can clean it without the words coming out or letters. And I think let's go to the typing test. Okay, so let's start the typing test. thing that I don't like about this keyboard is that the spacebar is just too loud from the other keys, and the rubber below this, it's actually not that strong. I mean, if you lift your keyboard, you can actually see there's a rubber under here, and there's a stand. The stand is not quite high. I think I want it higher, but it's okay. The rubber is actually not really good. Like when you're playing and then you just want to move your put your hands here, or you just put your hands around here and then you slightly push it, and you'll see it's actually it move really easy. Like the rubber is actually not doing anything at all. I have been putting it on wood, which is my floor, because my floor is made out of wood and my table is made out of glass. It's a built-in table, so I can't put like a cable behind it. And I guess that's about it. Oh, and remember, it really gets dirty easier. I mean, it gets dirtier from the other keyboards because it's actually really white. For now, it just looks like a moody, shady white, but it actually is really white. So I guess that is about it. So this has been Shazwan, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.